Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's session, I am going to be trying on 3 lip gloss. That's right, 3 lip gloss, and they're all from the crayon case. See that? So if you guys are here for this look, make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video to your mama, sister, cousin, uncle, auntie, friend, brother, girlfriend, boyfriend, kids, everybody. Make sure you share this video. So we shall be back. So the first thing I want to know from you guys, make sure you drop comments below. Let me know which color should I wear going maybe a date night or so I already did my face, kind of a natural neutral beat or whatever, and I'm going to be trying on each lip gloss with a darker liner pencil, darker liner under my lip and on top of my lip. So yeah, so the first one, this one is Clean Kisses. This is Clean Kisses. That's the one that we may be trying on first. And the next one is Pecan Poppin'. Oh, I might like this one better. I don't know. I haven't tried it on yet. It just came in the mail. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, I'm going to try this on next. And I'll be letting you guys see. But I just want to let you guys see the name and what's the name of it, just in case you want to go and purchase a set from, purchase any from the crayon case. Yeah, so like I said, make sure you guys drop comments below on which look you like better. Now, guys, we are going in with Soft Twerk. That is a name for you, Soft Twerk. That's crazy, but we're about to get into this. Oh my God, I just love colors like this. I really do. I really, really love colors like this. And oh, I just wonder how it's gonna look. Like it's gonna be so bomb. Like I can only imagine. Like it's gonna be so bomb. Yeah. So Soft Twerk. That's this color. This color one. Oh my God, I'm like so excited. Make sure you guys tune in, stay tuned in, don't leave, because I will be right back. Make sure you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you blow up my comment section. Blow up my comments, blow up my comments, blow it up, blow it up, blow it up. So guys, I got my lip lined up, and this is like a dark purple. I don't like a black liner across my lip, and I kind of don't have a dark brown, so I always use the purple. So yeah, let's get it. So guys, that was the ending of that. Make sure you guys blow up my comments below and make sure you guys tell me what color do you like best. Until then, guys, make sure you click the notification button so that so that you guys will be notified when I am posting my next video. Bye, guys.